I think it's time to pause a little bit in our drawing and just kind of think about the fact that this is going to get really crowded in a hurry and it's going to get difficult to see things. So I'm going to take a minute and I'm going to change things to be a different color if they're a certain kind of machine. For example, I think I'm going to take all of my ramps, all of my ramp pieces, get them all selected. I'm not going to forget this one over here. Get them all selected. And then I think what I want to do is just go up to my visualization area. And I'm just going to click on visualization. And I'm just going to tap a color. Now obviously there's lots of materials here, but I'm not going to take that much time. I'm just going to go with orange and call it done. And then I can tap this little top button here and make that panel go away. All right. And you can see already, this is just going to make it easier to identify your machines. So I think what we'll do is change our funnel also. We'll make that maybe a nice blue. Get the inside of the funnel, make it blue also. And hit done on that. This is certainly not a requirement that you use those colors, but I do think it's a good idea. And we're going to ask you on your final versions to color code your machines. Okay. All right. The next task I have for you, I am not going to show you, but here's what I want you to do. I want you to figure out a way to get from the bottom of the funnel over to the top of this ramp. And I know that sounds like a big job, right? Because if you look at this from the absolute side view, let me leave visualization for a little bit and go back to modeling, right? If we look at this from the left, it is pretty obvious that this funnel is under the ramp. And we're going to have to go uphill. And no, you cannot just lower the ramp. All right. Now, I will let you do this if you want to. If you think it'd make it simpler for you to extend this ramp so that it is closer to the funnel. If you think that will help you, I'm okay with that. But I want you to figure out a way to get from the underneath side of the funnel back up on top of that ramp. And you probably, here's a hint, you will probably not be figuring out something that will get this marble, which we probably should have color coded. Oops, I must not have it selected. There we go. This green marble is probably not going to make it down these ramps, through this funnel, and then get back up here. Instead, you'll probably need to have something sitting here, kind of like this marble sitting here, right? Something sitting here that will move because of what this marble hits when it drops out of the funnel. Okay? There's lots of ways to do this. It's only limited by your imagination, and I'm excited to see what you come up with.